An auctioneer may have made a bombshell discovery when he was asked to value a huge collection of explosives in a World War I fanatic's man cave in Somerset, UK. And guess what? The massive collection is going to auction on June 22nd and is expected to generate between $5,000 and $6,400. The collection is made up of 100 inactive field gun and airplane shells. When you weigh them all together, the collection is well over a metric ton. So what's the story behind this unique wartime assortment? The collector is said to be in his 60s and his grandfather fought in the trenches of World War I for the Royal Artillery. Auctioneer Sean Rock told SWNS, when he came back, he brought back a piece of shrapnel and handed it to his son. His son then passed it on again to our collector. This small fragment sparked the obsession. Rock went on to comment that the explosives are obviously inactive, but some still have timers on them. The collection really is mortifying.